There is ice on the planet closest to the sun. Mercury has almost no atmosphere, and its day side reaches 400 degrees Celsius. It is the last place you would look for ice, and there is ice on it. The reason is geometry. Mercury's axis is almost perfectly upright, tilted by about 2/100ths of a degree, which is the straightest of any planet. On Earth, the tilt is 23 degrees, and that is why we have seasons, and why sunlight reaches into the polar regions for half the year. On Mercury, it never does. At the poles, the sun stays on the horizon, and the floors of deep craters there are never touched by it at all. Not for a season. Not ever, for billions of years. Those floors sit at around minus 170 degrees Celsius, a few hundred kilometers from ground hot enough to melt lead. Radar from Earth found the first sign in 1992, bright patches at the poles that reflected radio waves the way ice does. The Messenger spacecraft, in orbit from 2011, confirmed it with several independent measurements, including a laser that found the crater floors unusually bright, and a detector that found hydrogen concentrated there. Where it came from is most likely comets and small impacts delivering water over a long time, with the tiny fraction that landed in permanent shadow staying put because it had nowhere to go. There is the same arrangement at the poles of our own moon, and we told that story in the episode about the moon. On Mars, the ice is buried in the ground and at the poles, and that was the episode about Mars. The pattern holds everywhere we look. In this solar system, water is the default material, and sunlight is the exception. Ice does not survive out there because it is cold. It survives because nothing has come along to